Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with our Look Fantastic.
Now we're trying to see if we can get open quicker, but she's more fast.
Oh, it's like glue.
Oh, it's pretty.
Is it like,
it's pretty.
Ooh. Okay. Wow, this looks like the
It's pretty. It looks like the advent calendar.
Yeah.
Can we say that 5 times fast? This is what it looks like when you open it. And then, I know that's kind of upside down. And then there's the cute model they have on there.
And
She's
there's
gorgeous.
booklet that they send.
Michelle Obama
So
and
you can show your
Oprah,
things
2 icons.
Twice as fast
Conversation.
since there's 2 of us.
I like that it tells you, I think what you got in there too, right?
And I'm just trying to show them like.
No, that's fine. And then I was gonna say this is it without the magazine. It's pretty like gold wrapping paper.
Wait, did you read the box or no?
No.
Believe in the magic of Christmas.
I do believe I do.
I like the little notes they put in there. The little.
Oh. I shouldn't be excited for this, but this is actually a full size.
But is it the name brand? Or
I don't care what kind it is because
Oh.
I don't really use these, but So it's a beauty blender. I know that seems stupid to most people, but I had tiny ones and I didn't like those ones, so I always put them in a giveaway. But and I think I've got one, but I'm pretty sure someone gave it to me, like my niece or somebody, and so not that I'm not grateful, but
well, not a beauty blender, but like a sponge that's similar to beauty blender,
yeah,
right?
or something,
I think.
But yeah. So I'm just saying I'm
Because
glad
I
to get
beauty blender.
I'm
so.
glad to get something from somebody else.
I might give mine away because I have beauty blender.
Do you want to show your next one? And then I'll show something.
So we got Karl Lagerfeld plus Model Company Brow Pencil Medium Dark.
Medium dark.
I think that'll. I mean, for me that should be okay.
No, I know. I was like, how dark's my hair? Ooh, this I'm excited for. I had the worst time sleeping. We both do. Isn't that fabulous? Deep Sleep Pillow Spray.
I literally have this on my nightstand.
It's called This Works.
Right over there.
I sound way too happy today. I don't know why, but
in the full size.
But did you know that? Oh,
I have it next to my bed.
You can give me the not
go
full
run
size.
and grab it.
What's next for you?
I'll grab the pink one just because. Okay, so Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum.
Brightening.
I
always
worry
worry about brightening.
botanicals.
I always worry about that.
Why?
Why'd you worry? Around the eye area. I don't know, because brightening, I have a couple of those, but it's like definitely...
The ones that say stay away from the eye?
It's one of the ones that you usually have to keep away from your eye. This is for a gorgeous scalp detox exfoliating pre-wash treatment. I usually don't like exfoliating things when it comes to scalp. I usually use these for like my kids, but I mean, it's a good size and maybe I'll try it, I don't know. So I'll probably keep this one. It's pretty.
And depending on what maybe you can use it and tell me what the consistency is, because if this is like
sand,
hard for like long hair, I
know what you mean.
Giveaway or
I know
something.
what it means, yeah.
Okay, and then I think the last thing, right, is I don't even know how to say that.
I would think, but that's just me.
Veil or Veil?
I actually got some of their mascara from
I'm probably
Kim.
saying that wrong.
Kim got me some mascara one time from them. Like, I guess she didn't need mascara at the time. She gave one to me. And it's theirs, and I actually really like their mascara. Like, it worked really good. In fact, I'm wearing it today on my few lashes I have. But this one's not that expensive. It's around $17 a month. And I think everything I got. I'm like, well,
I'll put some of mine
for the most part. I mean,
probably at least 2 of them in the giveaway.
Yeah, because I can use...
But
give me this one though. Okay, that was it for this video. If you saw anything you like, give us a thumbs up. And we were wearing the same outfits we were in the last one.
We filmed 2 back-to-back videos.
But don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200, and we just pick and choose, and we get palettes and whatever we want we put in there. And you can be a part of that. We'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.